So guys, this is one particular app for you if you wish to make money every day playing games. If you stick to the end of this video, I'll show you how I'm able to make 500 naira every hour on this particular app. I guess you can see my balance here, right? So I'm going to show you exactly how you can leverage this app to start making money for yourself every single hour using just your smartphone. So make sure to follow me step by step from the beginning of this video to the very end so that you don't miss out on any important parts. So guys, if you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and on this channel I talk about ways you can make money online and things you can do to get better results in your internet marketing activities. So if this is your first time on this channel, do wait to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification, like and comment on this video so that I can reach out to more people that are interested in this kind of video. So I'll drop the link to join my Telegram group and my WhatsApp channel in the description below. So if you want to be the first to always get updates from me, ensure that you join those links, okay? Alright, so let's get started. So the very first step you want to take to make money on this platform, to make 500 naira for yourself every hour, is to create an account on this platform. So I'll leave the link to create your account in the video description, and once you're done creating your account, you'll be getting a free 500 naira welcome bonus just because you use the link in the video description. So I'll show you how you can use that 500 naira to cash out money every hour for yourself using just your smartphone. So once you click the link in the description, you will land on a page like this. I guess you can see this page. So if you check this page, you see that they are showing a number of people that have won money from this platform. You can see Chinedu won 51,000. I mean, check down here. You can see Ayomide won 40,000. Oluwaseun won 60,000, and it keeps going like that. So for you to now start playing this game, you need to download the application. So that is why you need to click on download and get 500 naira. So you are getting 500 naira welcome bonus just because you use the link in the description. So ensure you use that link so that you don't miss out on the welcome bonus. So once you click on download and get 500 naira, then it will bring up this for you. So it says downloading will begin in 3 seconds, 2 seconds, then start now. Can you see? So the next thing you want to do now is you want to click on download anyway. So click on download anyway, then it will start downloading. I seen it's already downloading on my file. So but me, I already have the application on my phone. Probably this should update the one I already had on my phone. But then let's click on it to open it so I get to guide you through the process to the end. So once you click on the file you downloaded, then you have to install it. So mine is bringing up updates. So I'll click on update for myself. So over there you have to install it. Then you have to follow through the registration process. Once you install it on your phone, go to the application on your phone and open it so that you can sign up and use the referral code that you saw in my description. It is important to use the link in the description and also the referral code so that you can get your own free 500 naira. So this is what will come up once you open the application. So it's loading. Let's wait for it to load. So for me, I already have an account here, so it might not take us through the sign up process, but for you, it will take you through the sign up process, and it's very simple. Just fill in your phone number, fill in the coupon code, and I think they will send you an OTP. So just put in the OTP they will send to you, and you'll be able to create your account successfully. So once you're done creating your account, then you click on OK. Then you'll be faced with this interface. So now, how exactly do you make money on this app? There are so many ways you can make money on this platform. There are so many ways. There are a lot of games you can play here to make money. You remember our childhood games like Snake and Ladder, like Ludo and so on, which we played for fun back then. You can actually play them on this platform and make yourself extra 500 naira, extra 1000 naira every hour. You can make 1000 naira as many times as possible in a day. So it depends on how much time you have on your side and how good you are in playing the games. And there's a second way you can make money on this app without playing any game. But first, let's talk about this first way. Let me show you how you can make money playing games on this platform. Let me show you some of the games on this platform so I can try out some and see how easy it is. Just ensure that you play anyone that you are very good at. You can even practice with the free game to become very good before using your money. And the good thing is you can start earning with the 500 naira welcome bonus you received while signing up. So on this platform, we have Ludo Dice. You can see Ludo Dice. We have Ludo Dice 2. We have Snake and Ladder. We have What, Aviator Skill, and Video Poker. So to play any of this game, you have to just tap on the one you want to play. So let's tap on the second one, which is Ludo Dice 2. Then you get to see how much you can play with and what you'll be winning. Yes, you can see we have free. You get to play for free and you win nothing. Play free, win free. That's what it says. So it means you can practice with this free to become very good with the game before you now start using your money to play. So you can see we have play with 90 naira and you get to win 165 naira. Over there to be showing 100 naira. Don't worry. And you can see we have play with 490 naira. That will be showing 500 naira over your side. And you get to win as much as 7,000 naira. Can you see that? And we have play with 990 naira and you can win as much as 10,000 naira. Do you understand? So there are so many of them there. So you get to choose which one works best for you and you start playing to make money for yourself. So now, for the sake of those that want to invest their money before they can play the game, let me show you how you can deposit money on this platform. So for you to deposit money on this platform, you have to click on wallets. I guess you can see wallets down there. So once you click on wallets, then you can see we have add cash and we have withdraw cash. So you can click on add cash if you want to deposit. Once you click on add cash, it will bring up this for you. So now you have to click on the amount you want to deposit. So for example, let's assume you want to deposit 100 naira. So you click on add 100 naira down here. So once you click on that, it will bring up the payment gateway for you. So what you do next is you click on where we have view other payment methods. So once you click on that, then you get to see, you can see we have select payment method. There's bank transfer, pay with USSD. So you get to choose anyone that works for you. If you want to pay with your card, you can choose your card. Then let's assume you want to pay with bank transfer. Then you get to choose the bank you use, any bank you use. So me, I'll be choosing Access Bank. So once you choose Access Bank, this will load up. Then you get to choose pay with Access Bank. So you can see now it has brought up the bank name that you pay to, the account number you pay to. Then you have to click on I understand the statement above. Can you see that? So once you click on that, then you go to your application, you go to your bank app and make payments. And once you are done making payments, just click on back to MPL and you see that the money will appear automatically in your wallet. So that is just very simple. That is how you make deposits on this app. So each time you want to make deposits, just go through the process afresh. Don't go and copy this account number and save on your phone to always use for deposits. I guess by now you know how to make deposits on this app. Once you are done making deposits, your money will appear. It will add to your current balance. So now let me show you how easy it is to make money on this platform, so that you see it's very easy to make money. It's easy to make 500 naira for yourself every single hour, depending on how much time you have available on your side. So now I'll be going to where we have watts. So I'll choose watts. Can you see? So now we have play free, we have play with 100 naira. Mine is showing 90 naira because I have some 10 naira coin available in my wallet. So it has minus the coin, that is why it's showing 90 naira. So and we have play with 240 naira, we have play with 490 naira. So let's assume I want to play with 90 naira. So I'll click on that. Let's see. Just ensure you play the game that you're very good with, so that you can always win money easily. So it's loading. Let's wait for this to load. So by the time I'm done with this game, I would have won 170 naira for myself. Do you understand? So let's play this game together. Watch me as I win. So that's why I said you should make sure you play a game that you feel is very easy for you to play. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if you play a game that is hard, or better still, just ensure you do some practice before you start playing any of those games if you feel you don't know how to play them. Do you understand? So let's watch this together. So this is like a countdown. You can see the countdown up there. So we have a countdown of 6 minutes. I think it's 5 minutes. So currently we are at 4 minutes 25 seconds. Also, it is important that you have stable internet when playing this game, so that you don't get disconnected and you get to lose your money. Hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. So let's play. So if by the time the countdown is over and both sides still have cards, what happens is that you get to like tender your cards, and whoever has the lowest number wins. Hope you understand what I said. Whoever has the lowest number is the winner by the time you guys tender your card. Are you following? So we have about 2 minutes 22 seconds. 2 minutes 22 seconds. So we have about 2 minutes left. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So we're about to win right away. We're about to win, and I think we've won. Opponent's life exhausted. Can you see? I won 170 Naira, and you can play again, or you can play with a higher stake, or you can cancel. So basically, that is how you play games on this platform and win money easily, as long as you know you're good with playing those games. So now, if you're to withdraw on this platform, let me take you through how you get to withdraw on the platform, so that you see that it's possible for you to withdraw on this platform. So let's go to withdraw. So when you want to withdraw, you go to wallet, then you go to withdraw, you click on withdraw. So I think by now you've connected your account. You can see that I have my account connected here. This is my Kuda account. So let's withdraw 500 Naira. So you can see processing request, money sent to your bank account, withdrawal successful. Then you can click back to wallet, and you see that you have 116 Naira. That means you have been able to withdraw 500 Naira successfully. So the second way you can make money on this platform is by referring your friends to the platform. So if you want to refer your friends, what you do is you click on refer and earn. So once you click on refer and earn, then you can click on share via WhatsApp. Then you can share the link to your friends on WhatsApp or any other social media platform. And if they sign up with your link, you get to receive 100 Naira. So basically, that's the second way you make money on this platform. So the first way is by playing the numerous games we have on the platform, and the second way is by referring your friends. So peradventure you're having difficulties putting your bank details on the platform, so what you do is you click on wallets. You can see wallets down here, then you scroll down to where we have payment settings. So you open that, then you get to add your account details. You can see my withdraw once saved mode. So I guess by now you now understand how you can make money on this platform. So if you got value from this video, ensure to hit on the subscribe button and share this video with your friends so that they can also play games and make money for themselves.